Hello students of Standard 4th. How are you all? I hope you all are well and healthy at your home and enjoying your studies. Let's begin an online session of English. Dear Immanuel Public School, Sita Saungi welcomes you all in E-class. Myself, Renuka Sister, are your English teacher, and our today's topic is Lesson Mix Up at Birth, Part 2. This chapter is taken from your English reader and it's part 1 already we have learned in our previous class. Before to start the lesson, I would like to ask a question to you. Okay, so the picture which is seen here, everybody knows? Do you identify him? Yes, because we have discussed about this person in our first part. Okay, so who is he? He is Sunil Gavaskar, right? He is a cricketer of India. So this story is based on about his life. Something has happened in his life when he was born. He got mixed up at birth. Okay? So just imagine if would your life have been if you were born in different families and in different state or in different country, what had happened? Just imagine. Yes, something happened in his life also. So we are going to discuss this story today. The rest of the part. So let's start our lesson. So before moving ahead, let's take a short recap of this lesson in part 1 which we have learned. Okay. So this is the lesson mix up at birth. He may never have been become a cricketer and this book would not have been written if his uncle Mr. Narayan Maswekar. Who is Mr. Narayan Maswekar? Mr. Narayan Maswekar, it is the name of his uncle. Okay, Mr. Narayan Maswekar is uncle of Sunil Gavaskar. Everybody listen carefully and pay attention here. So Mr. Narayan Maswekar had not come into his life the day he was born. And when he was born on 10th July 1949. It seems that Nankaka, as he called him, he was calling him to Mr. Narayan Maswekar Nankaka as a Nankaka. So who had come to see him in the hospital on his first day in this world when he was born, noticed a little hole near the top of his left earlobe. What did he notice? He noticed a little hole near the top of his left earlobe. The next day he came again and picked up the baby lying in the crib next to his mother. But everybody was surprised to see that baby. Why? To his utter horror, he discovered that the baby didn't have the hole on his left earlobe. But Mr. Narayan Masukar, his uncle, was noticed a small little hole on his left earlobe. But the next day when he visited again, he find that the baby didn't have the hole on his left earlobe. A frantic search was made. Frantic means find out about something. So a frantic search was made and he was located where? He was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisherwoman, totally ignorant of the commotion. Commotion means disturbance or fuss. Commotion means disturbance or fuss. So he was totally ignorant of the commotion he had caused. The mix up, it appears, followed after the babies had been given their bath. Everybody was thinking that how they mixed up. The babies are mixed up when they had been given their bath. So let's move. Let's learn what is next in this story. Yes, he was grateful to his uncle for noticing the hole, for he had often wondered what would have happened if nature had not marked him out. What would have happened if nature had not marked him out, if he had not a small hole on his left earlobe? then he didn't identify, right? So because of that hole, Sunil Gavaskar caught. He would have grown up to be a fisherman working somewhere along the coast, west coast. And what about the baby who, for a spell, took his place? He don't know if he is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. He can only hope that if he does, he will start taking a little more interest in Sunil Gavaskar. So like this incident happened in Sunil Gavaskar's life. When he was born, he was mixed up with the another baby and he was exchanged because of his uncle. He find it out. Otherwise, if he did not find it out, then his life would be different. He he may be grown up to be a fisherman working somewhere along with the west coast, like this. So this is the incident happened in Sunil Gavaskar's life when he was born in the hospital. So it is very interesting story, isn't it? Do you like it? Yes, very good. So such thing happens in this world with anyone. So this is one of them, a story about Sunil Gavaskar. Let's see now. This is your assignment type. I hope you have learned this lesson and understand. Now let's see your assignment. What is it? Yes, this is a diary entry. So write a diary entry expressing your feeling about the incident of Sunil Gavaskar's life, which is explained in the story. Okay, whatever the story about Sunil Gavaskar's life, what is the incident when he born, he exchanged in the hospital because when they had given the bath, okay, and his nan kaka Mr. Naran Maswekar identify him that baby has not a hole in his left earlobe. Because of this mark he can identify it. Otherwise he might be exchanged with that baby, with with the with that fisherwoman, and maybe he would be grown up to be a fisherwoman working somewhere along the west coast. Okay, so on basis of this story, write a diary entry expressing your feeling. What do you feel? What do you feel about that incident? Your feeling, you will write it in your notebook. Okay, so write a diary entry expressing your feeling about the incident of Sunil Gavaskar's life, which is explained in the story. Write in notebook. Okay, this assignment everybody will write in your notebook. Yes. Now, till then, bye bye. Thank you and have a nice day.